Are you like me? You have an e-commerce store, Etsy store in my case, and I'm always buying mock-ups for my t-shirts, for my mugs, for everything. And it costs money. You hear me? It don't seem like a nickel and dime here and a nickel and dime there, but they will nickel and dime you to death. Well, I got something for you. I'm gonna teach you how to create mock-ups for free using Canva. You heard me, for free using Canva, my favorite software tool, because I'm not a graphic designer. God didn't bless me with that skill. No, he did not. But he did bless me with some free software by the name of Canva. Thank you, Lord. I appreciate it. Well, to this video and learn how you, too, can get your mock-ups for the free. Thank me later. Bam! Howdy ho, here we go. All right, y'all, so we are on Canva, my favorite spot, and I do the mock-ups for my Etsy store. And for the Etsy store, the recommended dimension is 2000 by 2000. So we're gonna go ahead, pixels that is. Go ahead and create that, okay? All right, so now we have it. So where do we go from here, Tyechia? I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. What we can do, we can go to, basically, I want to show you a couple of things. If you go to photos, you can type in t-shirt mockups. And you see here that there are already some mockups in place that are just standard for Canva, and you can play around with it. I like this magic recommendation here because it adds a little bit more depth and pizzazz to the mockups. Look at that. Isn't that cute, y'all? You know, you just play with it. I'm just playing with it. But it's super cute. So say I had, this is my t-shirt mock-up, and I wanted to add, I've added some images that I've uploaded here. Say I'm doing this one here. You see how I'm turning this? You want to make sure this thing look realistic, folks. So my shirt is a little bit slanted. That is why I use this tool to turn it to make it look natural and realistic. Kind of classy, kind of hood. Who they talking about? Could it be me, y'all? Huh? Do y'all like that? Ain't that cute? Okay, so that is just your standard here, is what I was showing you. And I went to photos to get that. Here's some others. Say you had a little baggie here. I mean, maybe you make these bags. It's just a whole plethora of things, including artwork. There are many people that make artwork and they sell on Etsy or in their private stores like Shopify. So scroll through and you'll see some great things there for you to use at your disposal. The reason why I want to do that, because I want to show you these smart mockups right here. I'm gonna hit see all. These are new, these smart mockups by Canva, and you can see here that they have smartphones. See, it just changed the image, and look what it did. How about that? It actually put that t-shirt on there with that brick. Going back to my upload, this is what I want, right? So I'm going to click this. I want a mock-up of it. What kind of mock-up? I want to do, you see the book, you see a frame, you see a t-shirt, even greeting cards, laptops, what have you guys. Smartphones, different types of computers, business cards, greeting cards, etc. with the background. Various frames and posters and canvases. T-shirts. So one thing that I've noticed as an Etsy seller is when I have mock-ups that are realistic, that have people on them, they sell better because people can visualize themselves in it. Hoodies, sweatshirts, mugs, all type of mugs. You got your campfire mug. So it's just a plethora of things, and it's different types of sweatshirts, different types of t-shirts, different types of hoodies that match or could match with your particular brand. See how pretty that is? I put that on a frame, and the reason why I chose a wide frame, that wide frame, is because I can look at that. I knew that that was wide, so I needed to pick something that was wide. And look how pretty that looks and realistic it looks. That's gorgeous. Now, typically what I do with my mock-ups, if I find what I'm looking for, like this, I would just make the rest transparent. I would just make this white part will be transparent. So the only thing that will come up is, see here. And you can only do that with the Pro. That way when I open it, look what I have. I have a beautiful image. That white part is not there. You see, and that's just really cute. People can picture that in their living room, in their family room, just the heart of wherever the house is at, honoring more than likely mom, who holds the glue together for all families, right? Mother's Day just passed. I hope you wish your mom a happy Mother's Day if she's here with you. If she's not, my thoughts and prayers are with you, because my mommy is no longer with me either, so I get it. But I hope that you just reminisce on some happy thoughts with her. So yeah, how y'all like that? That's so pretty to me. This is just a little inkling of what Canva can do. It's a very powerful tool. I encourage you to get in there and play around with it. You can't break it. Just get in there and play around with it. And if you like more videos like this, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and put in the comments, what do you want me to do next? What type of tutorial you want me to do next? Canva is my favorite free software. Of course, I have a free 30-day trial of the Canva Pro. Check it out. If you want to take advantage of, create some mock-ups and take advantage of the transparent background and some of these cool mock-ups that you've seen, go ahead and design them under the free one, under the trial that I'm giving you. Save it. Come on now, come on. And you can reuse it in your store, right? Come on, let's think smart now. Now, I encourage you, if you find that you're using them a lot, that you're going to be utilizing that tool a lot, then go ahead and get the Canva Pro. It's worth it. It's not that much money, folks. You know, you spend more than that at the Starbucks now. Come on. Let's talk about it. But anywho, I ain't here to preach about nothing. But I hope that you really, really enjoyed this tutorial. And again, get in there and play around with Canva. Look down at the link in the description as well as in the comment section of this video, and I have my free 30-day Canva Pro trial for you. You don't have anything to lose. Go check it out, play around with it, and develop your mock-ups and stop paying these people all this money to design them for you. Okay, you can do it yourself Or you can have an intern, hint, hint, or someone to do it for you. Come on now. We thinking smarter, working smarter, not harder over here.